Welcome to this detailed guide on the complete embryo transfer procedure in IVF. For many couples struggling with infertility, embryo transfer is a defining moment in their IVF journey, offering a real possibility of achieving pregnancy. In this video, we will take you through the step-by-step process of embryo transfer, explaining its significance, preparation, execution, and post-transfer care. Let's begin by understanding what embryo transfer is and why it plays a crucial role in vitro fertilization. Embryo transfer is the final and most critical step of the IVF cycle, where a healthy embryo is placed directly into the uterus to establish pregnancy. This procedure is minimally invasive, requires no anesthesia in most cases, and is carefully performed under ultrasound guidance to maximize success rates. During IVF, multiple eggs are retrieved from the ovaries, fertilized with sperm in the lab, and allowed to develop into embryos. Based on their quality and growth, the best embryo is selected for transfer. If additional embryos are available, they can be frozen for future attempts if needed. The timing of the transfer is critical. It is usually performed on day 3 or day 5 after fertilization, depending on the embryo's development stage. Day 5 transfers, also known as blastocyst transfers, have been shown to have higher success rates as they better mimic the natural implantation process. Before the procedure, proper preparation is essential to create an ideal environment for embryo implantation. This includes hormonal preparation. Medications such as estrogen and progesterone are prescribed to thicken the uterine lining, ensuring it is receptive to the embryo. Ultrasound monitoring. Regular scans assess the thickness and pattern of the endometrial lining, which should ideally be between 7 to 12 millimeters for successful implantation. A speculum is gently inserted into the vagina to hold it open, similar to a pap smear test. Using a sterile catheter, the embryologist carefully loads the selected embryo into a small amount of culture medium. The catheter is a soft, flexible tube, specifically designed for smooth embryo transfer without causing trauma to the uterus. Under ultrasound guidance, Dr. Bharti Kaushik inserts the catheter through the cervix and into the uterus. The embryo is then gently released at the ideal implantation site in the uterine lining. This step is quick, painless, and takes only a few minutes. Once the embryo is placed, the catheter is slowly withdrawn, and an embryologist checks it under a microscope to ensure the embryo has been successfully deposited. After the transfer, the patient remains lying down for a few minutes before being discharged with post-care instructions. Although embryo transfer is a simple procedure, the post-transfer period is crucial for successful implantation and pregnancy development. Here are some key guidelines patients should follow after the procedure. Do's after embryo transfer. Rest but don't overdo it. Light activity is allowed, but excessive bed rest is not recommended, as it may reduce blood flow to the uterus. Continue prescribed medications. Hormonal support like progesterone supplements is essential to maintain the uterine lining. Stay hydrated and eat a balanced diet. Nutrient-rich foods support implantation and overall reproductive health. Keep stress levels low. Meditation, light walks, or relaxation techniques can be beneficial. Don'ts after embryo transfer. Avoid strenuous activities, heavy lifting, intense exercise, and excessive movement should be minimized. No smoking or alcohol, these can negatively impact implantation. Limit caffeine intake. Excess caffeine may reduce success rates, so it is best to keep it to a minimum. Avoid hot baths or saunas. Extreme heat can affect embryo implantation. The next step after transfer is the implantation waiting period, where the embryo attaches itself to the uterine lining. This usually occurs 3 to 5 days after transfer, and the first pregnancy test is done 10 to 14 days later through a blood test measuring beta-HCG levels. If you have any questions or need expert consultation, feel free to contact Dr. Bharti Kaushik's clinic. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content on fertility treatments. Wishing you all the best on your journey to parenthood.